This video will focus on how customers can use the mobile app, the chatbot, or just a phone number to purchase and instantly receive fuel or energy, or just save the purchase for future. Business users can open access to their fuel or energy account and let drivers refuel or charge a vehicle using that account. Finally, businesses and drivers can get rid of fuel tickets or coupons. Here, I would like to demonstrate to you the interaction and user experience of customers and businesses when using the inCust mobile app for customers, which is available for Android and iOS devices. First of all, we guide users through a safety disclaimer, which is vital for automated fueling stations. We use mobile numbers as unique user IDs. After downloading and opening the app for the first time, each user is prompted to enter his or her phone number and validate it by entering the PIN, received in an SMS. Fast, easy, and secure. The validation page also provides access to terms of use and privacy policy. After a successful validation, the app prompts new users to provide additional information, such as name, gender, or date of birth. This information is optional, and users may enter whatever they want. The entered data will be used to create a better experience when communicating with customers, such as personalizing messages, sending birthday greetings, etc. Existing users bypass the prompt screen and get to the main screen. The application can handle operations of a single fueling station or chain of stations, and also it can easily handle sophisticated multi-partner schemes with mutual reconciliation. As you see, the application displays various kinds of businesses. Basically, everything related to traffic can be shown here. For example, we can add hotels, car service points, and even places of attraction. Gas stations display a brief overview of available fuel in the picture field. Points of sale can be displayed as a customizable list. You can filter locations by business type, hotel, gas station, service, etc., required fuel type, or search by name. On the sample screen, the gas stations are sorted by distance so that the ones that are closer to the user's location are shown first. Another option is to use the map view. Let's have a look at the stations available in Australia. Hello, kangaroos. When we choose a fueling station on the map, we get the same basic information that is available on the station card. For safety reasons, the user's location is used to verify whether the correct fueling or charging station was selected in the app. Should the distance between the user and the chosen station be too far, the user is prompted to verify the selection or scan an on-premise QR code for validation. So let's choose this station and get some fuel. As soon as we click on the Get Gas button, we can be warned via a pop-up that we are too far from the selected station. This safety measure is used to optionally disable fueling when GPS is off, unavailable, or when the user is not in the range of the selected station. Corporate users are eagering to get such a feature. Another function that we offer is the use of QR codes. The codes save visitors time. All the customer has to do is locate the appropriate QR code, scan it with the app, and that's it. QR codes can be generated for the gas station or in detail. Example, for a specific pump or even a nozzle or product served by the pump or nozzle. As soon as we're good to go and the gas station is specified, there are two ways available how the information can be displayed to customers. It can be a list of available items or fuel types with indication of the appropriate pumps where those types can be obtained. This option is handy for automated stations where certain fuel is only available at a certain pump. So here, we either head to pump 1 for diesel or pump 2 for unleaded gasoline. Another way is to present a list of pumps to users first. We need to select the pump we'd like to access, and next we see the selection of available items for that pump. Notice that prices are indicated next to every item. The displayed currency and metric system can be customized in the business control panel, but we'll get to that in a bit. After the pump and the item are selected, we can choose one of generic most commonly used amounts for volume and cost, like 5, 10, or 20 liters, or $5, $10, $20. Again, these items as well as currencies and the metric system can be changed. And if your customers would like to choose their own volume or cost, we have such an option too. For example, here, I will input 11 Canadian dollars and the system will automatically calculate the volume of fuel that I'll get for that amount. We see it's 9.32 liters. For volumes, the number of digits that come after the decimal point depends on the settings of your fuel controllers. If you'd like to present more digits after the decimal point, this is doable. When all options are confirmed, it's time to choose the desired payment method. Here, retail customers can select to use an existing payment card, or they can add a new card to their wallet. For security reasons, we use the wallet services that are trusted and verified by the users. For Europe, it's mainly MasterPass by MasterCard. For many other countries, this is the Stripe service. The mentioned wallet services not just store the credit card information, but also process payments. So no payment information or funds pass through inCust accounts or servers. As the sample user already has a saved bank card, I can select it and enter additional billing information if needed, or just proceed with fueling. What happens next is that our system checks and puts the required amount of funds on the user's credit card on hold. Only after that, the fueling process is started. This way, we make sure the users always have sufficient funds to pay for the fuel as soon as the fueling process is completed, and the transaction is processed. If the total amount to pay turns out less than the estimate put on hold, users' accounts will only be charged the due sum, and the rest will be released from hold. Loyalty program rules are applied at this stage. Various options are calculated, and depending on the quantity and complexity of rules, which you as a business owner have set up, the user will get appropriate bonus points, discounts, or other benefits. We have just finished fueling, and it was that easy. I will continue to demonstrate the same process for corporate customers through the same retail user interface. This means I will buy some volume of fuel through an online shop of a station and have it ready on my user account. Before we start, I'd like to give you a quick look at how easy it is to set up and configure an online shop for the mobile application. To do this, we will access the Business Control panel as an administrator. On your left, you see the main menu panel where we need to choose Products and Services. In this section of the menu, we can manage existing products and services that we've already created or generate new ones. Existing entries have a brief description available to easily distinguish them by type of product, fuel, or other goods. When we click on an existing product, we can configure parameters organized under tabs like Description or Shop, for instance. Here, we can upload pictures that will represent this product in the online shop, choose the type of product, fuel or something else, assign categories, etc. The system automatically verifies that any changes you've made are safe, but if you'd like to leave for another tab, you need to confirm this action for the changes to get published. On the Shop tab, we can choose to publish the product in our online shop with a single click. Also here, we can enter alternative names and descriptions for each supported language. In the User Accounts menu, you will be able to quickly set up or manage existing customer accounts, available for your users within the application. Main account types are currency, product, and achievements. Customer account types are necessary for processing to know how to identify the price of purchase, delivery, sale operations. For example, if a user buys 100 liters of fuel, these 100 liters will be added to his or her fuel account. To create a new account, click the New Account button. Choose the type of account you would like to create and enter supplementary information. To access the online shop from the application, you just need to choose your station and click the Online Shop button. Let's return to the application and see if we can do that with our Prime fueling station we've already seen. Inside the online shop, we see all available options which we have previously set up and published for the corresponding shop. For example, 100 liters of unleaded or diesel fuel along with the option to top up your currency-based customer account. You can create various special offers or discounts when the account is replenished. For example, here I'll buy 50 liters of unleaded fuel. All I need to do is choose the item and click Buy Now. I can either check out at this stage or continue shopping. The selected items are saved in my cart. I would like to recharge my balance too, so I'll need to click that option in the shop and enter the desired amount to recharge next to the Buy Now button. In this example, I will add 1,000 Canadian dollars to my account. Now you can see your shopping cart. You can see here a photo and a brief description for each of the selected products. We check if everything is there and click the Order button to proceed. You are then asked to confirm the total amount for the purchase. The final step asks you to choose the preferred billing method for the payment to proceed, and as soon as you click Pay, you're all set. Transactions comply with all the latest security requirements such as 3D Secure and others. The user receives a push notification on his device as soon as the transaction is done, and the customer account is replenished. In the history of transactions, we can see the order we've just made, its status, and the items that were purchased. The user instantly receives a push notification which informs that the purchased products have been transferred to the corresponding balance of the user's account. We are also able to top up accounts for corporate customers through the Business Control panel. If we click the notification which we just got in the Messages menu, we will see more details about it. Now, as our user has sufficient funds available, we can go to the same fueling station and use those funds to pay for fuel using just our accounts. The fueling process is no different. We just choose the pump, type of fuel, and the needed quantity. But when we are prompted to choose the type of payment, more options become available this time. We can choose to withdraw funds from either of the two customer accounts which we've just recharged. One account has 10,000 Canadian dollars and the other has 50 liters of unleaded gasoline. So either of them can be used. I will choose to withdraw funds from the fuel customer account. And the fueling process has started. I would like to add that supplementary security features can be put in place when allowing withdrawals from corporate accounts. For instance, two-factor authentication can enable the user to enter a PIN code before the payment is approved. Or, users can be required to input odometer readings before each fueling operation. This would help you stay fully informed about all operations at all times. This additional information can also be exported if you'd like to use external analytics software. When the fueling process is finished, a confirmation window is displayed. Another set of features I'd like to cover are cross-marketing capabilities. As an example, I will choose the Ocean Crest Motel from our list of available business places and see if there are any news or offers I could use there. In the newsfeed, I can see that there is an offer to get a free liter of fuel as a gift certificate. As I choose this option, more details are displayed and a pop-up tells me that I have claimed the coupon as soon as I accept the offer. All news and offers can be accessed from the News tab of the application's main screen. For instance, here you can see other available promotions like top up your account and get a 10% bonus, or a complimentary liter of fuel for every visit. Another tab is your wallet. If you have accounts in more than one chain, for example Prime and TAS, this is the place to view all your balances. We can see that I have no remaining fuel on my Prime fuel balance, 0 liters. But I still have 10,580 Canadian dollars for Prime and the gift certificate we've recently claimed for TAS. Gift certificates can be redeemed at the fueling stations or in the app. For this particular one, I will choose to use this certificate and add that gift liter to my current TAS fuel balance. As I do so, I am prompted to confirm my action and a push message is sent to inform that my account has been recharged successfully. Besides loyalty programs, other key elements are inCust platform, the way to configure any interaction you need. Fueling validation system, as we call it, a server technology that we use to stay connected with physical equipment and fueling pumps for fast control and management. Reserving of payments and fuel, especially useful for corporate customers so that no two drivers could use more fuel or funds than are available on your accounts. Notification system, keeps account holders and customers up to date on important events. Everything is easily accessible through our Business Control panel. For example, I will demonstrate how fast and easy it is to configure a controller. We will need to access the Fuel Controllers menu. From there, we need to click on the Add Controller button and fill out the required fields, including the name of the unit. As soon as the controller is added, we can click it to manage the pumps it will access, fuel types it will serve, and specific fueling nozzles it will operate. Another menu is our main stats dashboard. Here you can see all the trackable metrics of your business, including journals and the ability to serve individual or corporate customers. To illustrate how quick and responsive inCust is with customer interactions, I will now open the Customers menu. Here I can create an announcement, promotion, offer, or message in just a few clicks and send it to as many users as I want right away. So if your business needs an easily deployable corporate solution to manage fuel cards or accounts, a flexible loyalty program for fueling stations, or user-friendly mobile app for your fueling stations that accepts various types of payments, please consider inCust. We help you find the best solution to your business needs whenever anyone, anywhere needs to buy fuel. Thank you for your time.